It's very honor to me to work in this particular institution, as we have more than 70 plus schools across India, in which 60 plus are the CBSE schools and rest of the respective state board schools. So we normally, our institution stick to the Indian culture. Children are being taught over here to stick to the Indian culture, follow the same. Accordingly, we celebrate Guru Purnima, we celebrate Ashadi Ekadashi, as well all the festivals which are been followed in the Indian culture. So children are very much attracted over to the westernized movements, and that's the reason why we stick only to the Indian culture, so that the children will know the heritage of India. Normally, our teachers also try to inculcate good habits, and then with the children, along with that, values are very important to us. Amma always says that the values you inculcate in the children are being carried throughout their life, which helps the children to make the best citizens of India.